Living DNA at-home DNA test kit review. Watch before using. Living DNA offers an in-depth at-home DNA test kit that provides ancestry breakdown, health insights, and well-being reports. Unlike other tests, it focuses on high-resolution ancestry, covering 150-plus regions with detailed sub-regional breakdowns, particularly strong for those with UK ancestry. It also includes a wellness section analyzing how genetics influence vitamins, metabolism, and fitness. The test is designed for users interested in a deeper genetic background, whether for family history, health insights, or personal traits. Using the kit is simple. Activate online, provide a saliva sample, and mail it back. Processing takes around 6 to 8 weeks. The results are accessible through an interactive online dashboard, breaking down ancestry into maternal and paternal lines using both autosomal and mitochondrial DNA. Unlike competitors like 23andMe or Ancestry DNA, Living DNA does not offer a relative matching database, meaning it's not the best for finding long-lost family members. However, it excels in precision for regional ancestry. The health insights cover fitness, sleep, nutrient absorption, and food sensitivities, but it lacks medical-grade genetic risk testing for conditions like cancer or Alzheimer's. If you need deep health risk analysis, services like 23andMe Health Plus or Nebula Genomics might be better. That said, Living DNA does well in providing personalized lifestyle recommendations based on genetic markers. One downside is the longer than average processing time and the lack of raw DNA data downloads, which limits third-party analysis options. Additionally, its database is smaller compared to Ancestry DNA or 23andMe, meaning ethnicity estimates might be less accurate for non-European users. However, the privacy policy is strong. Living DNA does not sell data to third parties, a major advantage over competitors. Verdict: if you want a detailed breakdown of ancestry, especially with European or UK roots, Living DNA is a solid choice. The health insights are helpful, but not medical grade. If you're looking for DNA matching or deeper medical insights, there are better options. But for ancestry-focused users who prioritize privacy and precision, Living DNA delivers.